What if you could trade while you sleep? No charts, no stress, just automation. Here's how it works in practice. First, you choose a strategy. Then you connect a bot or platform. After that, it runs on its own. It can trade 24/7 even while you sleep. The easiest way to start is copy trading. You simply follow experienced traders. When they trade, your account does the same. It's one of the most beginner-friendly options. You don't need to analyze charts, you are using someone else's experience. The second option is using AI trading bots. These bots follow simple strategies like buying low and selling high or reacting to market trends. Once set up, they work automatically in the background. The key advantage, they never sleep and they don't panic. The third option is more advanced. It's called algorithmic trading. You define your own rules or use ready-made strategies. The system executes everything automatically. This gives you more control, but it takes more time to learn. Let's look at a simple example. A bot is connected to your account. When the price drops, it buys. When the price rises, it sells. You don't touch anything. Like anything in trading, there are pros and cons. Pros, it works 24/7, it removes emotions, and it saves your time. Cons, there is still a risk, it's not guaranteed profit, and it requires proper setup. If you want to start, keep it simple. Choose a beginner-friendly platform, start with a demo account, use small amounts of money, and test everything before scaling. That's it. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.